Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove your ad from Airbnb. Today I got contacted by Elena, who is one of my co-hosts and who simply decided that she wants to sell her house and unfortunately get away from Airbnb or remove her Airbnb presence. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So we're going to ignore all the messages and notifications and we're going to go to Account. When in Account, we're going to search for Personal Info, Login and Security. But first of all, Login and Security. See, you can find here in the account to deactivate your account. It's very simple. So you simply went to Account, you see that there's the login, the two-step authentication required, security questions, social accounts, in which case Facebook is not connected, and here a very simple option. And you can just deactivate your account. Of course, this simply means that if you choose to leave Airbnb, your ad will be removed and your entire profile. In this case, I can't host anymore. Very simple, because she's selling her house. And here we have what is happening here. So here your email is going to be displayed and profile and listings associated with this account will disappear. Yes, that's exactly what we want. You won't be able to access the account info or pass reservations. Yes, that is absolutely fine. So we deactivate the account. And that is it. Your profile and listings are no longer visible. You won't be able to access this account or reservations associated with it. So we close. And you see now Airbnb is just as normal as anything else. If you try to log in using the same credentials, then what will happen is you will simply be asked to create a new account. And that's it from you guys. I hope that helped. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you want to know something, let me know and I will happily make a new video. Have a good day.